Go. Oh, yeah. Told you it's not as easy as it looks.
I don't want to smack that.
Yeah, exactly. Go. In the house. Yeah, in the house. Woo!
Ah, shit.
Dad, there's a bird in the house. What do you mean a bird? Look at him, dude. He's like pissing himself.
Well, I would be too. There's some fucking giants trying to catch my ass.
Matthew, you just trust this shit. Okay, you got him. Just get him in the net. Scoop.
Ah, bitch.
Just get him. Okay, now just set the net on him. Set the net on him. There, you got him. Fuck, kidding me? I'm getting Look at the cat. Look at him.
Let the cat get his thing. I'm gonna make it fly.
Look at Cheese, but he doesn't get it. It's okay, bud.
Should I make it fly?
Yeah, make it fly. No, don't let Cheese get it. It's down there, dude.
I know.
He doesn't know where it went.
Oh shit.
What?
It's behind the ear.
Oh, God.
It'll come out.
Yeah, watch Cheese grab its ass. Uh-oh. Cheese Butt! Hey!
Does he see it?
Yeah, he wants it. Okay, I'll keep him out. Like, it's funny, but I don't want him to kill it. Little bugger.
Okay, it's coming your way.
Whoa! Oh, okay, window. Slow, dude. Don't make it kill itself in the window. God! Okay, watch out. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Okay, got it.
That's so
Grab him,
cool.
grab him. Grab it. It's not going to hurt you. It's fine. Grab it.
I want its wings now.
Okay. Yeah, bird catcher. Birdie. Oh, it's so cute.